Good morning, everyone. We are going to sing a song and dance for it. The song name is From A Railway Carriage. See and enjoy. Welcome.
Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, edges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle. And through the meadows there are horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the blink of an eye, painted station whistle by. Here's a child who clambers and slumbers, all by himself gathering up crumbles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green fox stinging the dices. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Each a glimpse and gone forever. This poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson.